of rain. If you see here, I have it 1 2 3 4 5 6 SIM card here. If you have a marker, using your marker, marking here, marking here, marking here, mark, it's better you get at least 6 SIM card before you want to try it. How you get internet connected free, SMS free, and make call free. So if you subscribe my channel, you have a more and more information and more about how you want to so and so. This is, you see, drawing part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5, part 6. Any SIM card you have it at least 6 foreign for SIM card. But if you want more about how you want to get internet connected free, subscribe my channel at YouTube, right in at your computers, and then subscribe my channel. Click the build information. You see my any more news videos. Thank you for watching my videos.